Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, as usual, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Virgos. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. This is the card, so we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So for your daily energies, first it's Seven of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. With these cards, Virgos, I see here that in your situation today you are really happy, feeling that contentment and fulfillment today, happy for how things are progressing in your life, in your career, or in your personal life. Things are moving towards moving in a positive way, progressing in a positive way, guys, and you are happy for what you have accomplished till now, what goals you have reached in life, and what achievements you have had till now. And you are a person of great skills and talents, and you are able to handle any situation effectively. People see you as a person who is very skilled and talented, and you are in a very good position today, guys. And with your skill and effort, you are able to reach success in whatever path you choose in your life. This may relate to your career situation or personal life. People are attracted to you by the way you are. You will be having many people coming towards you. Many of them are attracted to you, guys, because of these qualities, because of your position, status in life, because of your success and the way you handle things in your situation. And maybe for some of you, there may be certain situations like people are trying to make use of you, use of your things, maybe try to cheat you or trick you in some things. So you need to be careful, guys. Or maybe for some of you, you just want to escape from responsibilities, whatever burdens that you are shouldering today. You just want to let all that go, run away from it, take a break in your situation, guys. So that is also the energy here, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Knight of Pentacles. So with this card here, guys, again, you are a person who knows exactly what you need to do and what is your goal, what is your destination. You are clear about that. You are you know what you need to do today and what is your destination. And again, it just shows that you are a person of great talents. So you have clarity in your work situation and you are moving towards success. That is what I see with this card. And what is the card for your relationship? The Sun. Again, a very positive card here, guys. So I see here that things are going in a very positive way, Virgos. Your life, your personal life, your career situation, whatever the situation is, you are happy today. You have that confidence, determination, and determination to manifest things in a positive way. And in general, you are enjoying that happiness and bliss in your situation with this person. Maybe you are moving towards a deeper commitment, marriage maybe with this person, or you may be planning to get engaged to them. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a guidance. So if we follow the energy of this card, it may help us in some ways. It may answer some questions we have in our mind regarding our situation, guys. So we will see what is the card. Deep knowing. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation is maybe today we may be having some kind of intuitive guidance, guys, in certain situations. So when we are making some important decisions or something, or when we meet somebody, some person for the first time, we may feel something very familiar about that person, and we will know deep down in our heart of hearts that this person is going to play a very important role in our life. That is the reason they are there today. So you feel that deep connection with that person at that impossible level. You just will not know how you have that much clarity about that person, that understanding. Even at the first time you both talk or get to know about each other. So maybe sometimes it just shows that however your intuition is guiding you, it is correct, guys. So you need to trust your heart today. So maybe sometimes if you are seeing such a person with whom you have that instant friendship, bonding and connection, you have to trust that connection. And the same way, when you in some situation in your work, maybe you may have some hunches about some decisions, the path you need to choose or the projects you need to choose, something telling you or making you think in a particular way. When you have that intuitive nudges in your career situation, you need to go for that, take that up, listen to that. So when you do that, you will see that success is coming towards you, guys, and you will feel really good today. So that is what this card is about, guys. That is the oracle's guidance today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.